In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix HyperX Alloy Origins Core not responding or lighting up. The first thing that you want to do is to factory reset your keyboard. So from here, you want to unplug your keyboard from your computer. And from there, you simply want to hold two buttons, which is going to be the function key and the escape key. After holding down these two buttons, you simply want to plug it back in while still holding both buttons for around 5 seconds, and with that your computer will then completely factory reset, or I mean your keyboard. Now let's head over to the Ingenuity software, and then you want to make sure to update the drivers for your keyboard. And lastly, the last thing that you want to do is to check for physical connection. So you want to check whether your wire or cables is connected properly, if it has damage, or you also want to plug the USB to another port, making sure that your computer doesn't have a broken USB port. So from there, after doing this simple methods, you will be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.